there is this infamous second to third gear shifting problems that feels like your car is delaying, braking, binding, and harsh shifting when you're transitioning from gear 2 to gear 3. It only happens in second to third gear. This happens in Toyota and Lexus transmissions, the 13 pins and the 10 pins, the U151, U140, U250, U241 series. This is because your third gear requires direct clutch to apply before you are having your third gear. So this problem most likely is a piston seal problem. But there is something you're going to do, which is 90% of the time the problem that you're facing in that your transmission. It's not always the transmission problem. There is 2 vehicle speed sensors on the body of that transmission. Remove the connectors of the 2 speed sensors. Remove them and drive the car. You'll be surprised that if you remove those 2 speed sensors, the cable, you will find out that your car will be moving just fine. And you will be even tempted to just leave it that way, just drive your car that way, because having a check engine light on your dashboard is far better than having shifting problems, So I will not advise you to just leave it that way. You're just having a failing speed sensor. You change the sensor and your problem will vanish. I've seen people say it is the ECU problem. No, it's not your ECU that is causing that problem, that specific problem. Since your gear moves fine, first to second gear and third to fourth, fifth gear, other gears move fine, but it only happens between second and third gear. This is your vehicle speed sensor causing this problem. So if you have removed the vehicle speed sensors connectors and drive the vehicle and the problem still persists, that means your problem is coming from your direct clutch. Either one clutches that takes time to apply, or hardened piston seals that is now leaking pressure, so takes time to apply. So this is the problem you're having. It can also come from your valve body. There is valves, spring-loaded valves inside the valve body that controls this C2 clutch, that is the direct clutch. If the valve controlling it is sticking, it can also cause this problem. Then I hear people say your solenoids can be the problem. No. During in gear 3, the two solenoids SL1 and SL2 does not need to apply. They are always off in gear 3. That is why when your car is in limp mode, if you remove the solenoid connector, that 13 pin and 10 pin connector, you find out your car is only driving in gear 3, the third gear. That is the limp mode or fail-safe mode. So your third gear does not require any of the solenoid to be activated. Okay, so your problem is either the vehicle speed sensor or your direct clutch, piston seals, or the valve inside your valve body, not solenoid. Okay, so I am a transmission mechanic, so subscribe to my channel. There may be videos you would like to watch in my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. If this video helps you out, give me a thumbs up, comment. Thank you.